Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Blink camera alerts using Sync Module 2 settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Blink camera alerts using Sync Module 2 settings, start by ensuring your Blink system is properly set up. Open the Blink app on your smartphone. Log in to your Blink account if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate and select your Sync Module 2 from the list of devices. Tap on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Scroll down to find the camera settings option and select it. Select the specific camera for which you want to enable alerts. Look for the notifications section within the camera settings. Toggle the notification switch to enable alerts. You may also customize the notification preferences such as sound and vibration. If needed, adjust the sensitivity settings for motion detection. After configuring your desired settings, save the changes. Return to the main dashboard to ensure your modifications are applied. Test the alerts by activating the camera's motion detection. Check your smartphone for the notification to confirm alerts are functioning. If you experience any issues, revisit the settings to ensure everything is set correctly. By following these steps, you will successfully enable Blink camera alerts using the Sync Module 2 settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.